own opinion, will the future of technology save humanity or will it destroy us? Why or why not? I strongly believe that the future of technology will play a vital role in saving humanity. It stands as one of the greatest breakthroughs in our history. Since the advent of modern technology, it has revolutionized our lives, streamlining everyday tasks and transforming workplaces. From improving our access to daily necessities to enhancing efficiency and productivity, technology has consistently made life smoother and more convenient. The movie Missing highlights the power of technology by showcasing various platforms like social media, different applications, and websites. It demonstrates how technology can be valuable both in everyday life and during crisis.
Call 911.
For instance, the character used live cameras or security cameras to search for the missing mother. FaceTime to communicate with other people, digital wallet to pay different bills, motion detectors, Google Maps to track locations, Google Translator to communicate with different languages, and Gmail accounts to uncover personal information. However, while technology offers many benefits, it also has its downsides. One major concern is its potential for misuse, such as to use it to spread misinformation, exploiting personal data, or even creating false identities. Technological advancement will likely benefit humans in many ways, including having a significant positive impact on the hospitality and tourism industry. For example, automation can reduce workloads by streamlining tasks like booking, check-ins, and customer service, allowing staff to focus more on guest experiences. However, while technology offers many advantages, it also has potential risks. If misused, it could create problems such as job displacement or over-reliance on machines, which may have negative consequences for society.